What it do?
With that.
What?
What's good, motherfucking YouTube? It's your boy, Skeet Mask, turned back with another motherfucking reaction video. Now today we're gonna be reacting to a motherfucking world star hip hop video. It is called LOL Mike the Fool Found Someone Else to Roast. Oh shit. Now I done been seeing this man, bruh. He funny than a motherfucker, so fuck all this talking. Let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna give the review and motherfucking playback of the motherfucking video at the end of the goddamn video. So fuck all this talking. Let's just go ahead and get into this motherfucking video. One with the dread, ugly than the motherfucker. He said starfish. He said you ate your left knuckle. What the fuck? That boy said unoiled elbow. Nigga said his neck fat as shit. And there you got it, man. You got this motherfucking fool, Mike. He roasted another motherfucking man. Now, he done had some old funny fucking videos, but this one right here, I gotta say, Mike, I guess Mike is the one with the green, though. Shit, he won that one. You know what I'm saying? He had some funny, he said you like a motherfucking unoiled elbow, like an unoiled knuckle. God damn, these boys funny than the mother. The one with the dread had some good ass jokes too, but y'all let me know in the comment box who y'all think won the roast, the dreadhead, or I think the man named Mike. I don't know. His video be named something else all the time, but it look like he know how to roast this shit. It look like he be higher than a motherfucker when he do be doing this shit. But this has been your motherfucking boy, Skeet Mask, turned, and I'll be back with some more motherfucking reviews and reactions. Peace.